Come outside. Come outside, bud.
All right, I'm outside now. I'm outside now. Okay.
Please get on the sidewalk. You in the green shirt, please get on the sidewalk.
Give him a kiss, officer. Wipe his ass. I was just walking away. Wipe his ass. Come over here. I didn't say anything. I said it's weird that you're out there videotaping people's personal. Your mother never taught you to mind your own business. I was watching you. No. Go. Listen to daddy. Hey, I didn't call them. Go listen to daddy. I don't care.
His beanie says why.
Oh yeah, it does. It says why. That's how you guys doing it. I'm doing it yourself. Chilling, man. Enjoy the weather. You guys having a good weekend so far? So you explain it to him or what? Yeah, I explained it to him. Cool. My man, you guys can handle it. Yeah. One concern that he is addressing, and I get it. You know your rights, because you would be doing this all day. You know your rights. It's the females when they have approached by people in masks. It's a little scary for them. Yeah, but I'm not approaching anyone in the park. That's what they say.
You have a mask on too, man.
I'm inside the whole time. He can make his accusations like a little girl all he wants. Is there anything that I can answer for you guys? Good, man. Thank you. Thank you for explaining it to him. And then if I could, if you guys know your rights, you don't have to. Can I get a name for you, gentlemen? Good citizen. Good citizen, and you?
Good citizen number 2, man. We're all good citizens, man.
Anything else? Name, badge number? Name is Usps. Serial number. Go by. What's other ones here? You guys take care of yourself, right? Sir, you be professional. Thank you.
How long you been on the force, man?
I don't want to give my name. I'll give it up.
So,
I'm not saying anything. I'm just curious.
you want to know what's up?
Why are you provoking? That's what I'm curious about.
What the hell?
Hey, dude, you're following me with a camera and a mask. And this guy's got gloves and a thing. But we heard inside.
You have a mask and a beanie on, man. You look like a gangster.
I'm scared. He's got gloves. Hey, it's for your YouTube channel. You guys are little fans.
Oh, damn, like that, huh?
Good thing.
Oh, that's a hate crime. That's a hate crime. That's a hate crime. That's a hate crime.
What's up with that hate speech right there?
What's up with that hate speech?
Tell him to calm his mouth. I don't care, dude. You can plug in, put your shit on YouTube on your own. Oh, damn.
Dang. We don't need your permission. That's the problem that you don't understand, man. That's what you don't understand is we don't need your permission. Crybaby.
I was curious and asked him why he was filming. And I said, I asked him. And then I went about my business. Did I not answer you? But then you went, no, you didn't answer. What did I tell you?
Just go home, man.
You don't even remember.
Listen to your daddy and just go home.
Exactly. You don't remember. I answered your question and you still wanted more, you little baby.
Listen to daddy and just go home.
Wah, beanie. He's crying like a little girl. He's crying to the cops. He's a little girl. Come save him, rescue him. Trying to tell me to leave? What a moron.
He told you to leave?
Yeah.
Hey, but what was he going to do when he said come outside?
I don't know. Wanted me to see the fresh air, there's flowers out here, I guess. I don't know. Thought he was going to be tough. Yeah, man.
That's crazy, huh?
Crazy guy right here.
This guy's getting educated by this very educated officer here. This guy knows the law, he knows our rights, and he's laying it down to this guy right here that wants to complain about a photographer at the post office. Doesn't even understand we have First Amendment rights to film in public. It looks like this officer's giving him a slap down right now. Not even a smack down, it's a slap down, like a bitch slap. It's big time like a bitch slap. Do you need a hug, man?
All better?
You need a hug?
Kiss and hug?
Hey. You just give out hugs all day, huh, bro? What's up with that? Part of your job is giving hugs too, huh? Hey, has anybody ever came up and just hugged you though? Like, thanks, man. Yeah, that's good. Good.
You guys ready for a new season, man? Hopefully we can get back to
Hell
the
yeah.
freaking
Hopefully we
championship.
get right back on it, brother. Hell yeah. Thanks for being professional.
Hey, you guys
Appreciate
take
you,
care of
man.
yourselves, be safe.
You're
Okay?
doing the right
Sure.
thing, bro. Thank you.
Stop crying, dude. Stop crying. Let him go back to work. Let him deal with some real crime.
He's educating them. Let him educate them,
Oh,
man.
yeah,
Look,
that's
look.
right. All right, my bad.
Follow
my
him.
bad.
Follow him.
Yeah,
Wah.
learn some more.
Wah.
Learn some more.
Look at his beanie. Says "wah" on the back of it.
He wore the right beanie today.
Wah.
Yeah, man. Let me see. Give me the back of the beanie. I didn't even notice that. The line on the back. There it is. On the dash. Don't worry, we're gonna get each. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vehicles. One of them's gotta be yours.
I'll fall asleep now.
Is that good?
But you'll follow me after my
I
dog.
didn't say anything. You're making your own assumptions.
We're here at the post office, man. Why don't you leave? Why don't you go home, man? Go feel comfortable.
Find babies like you, man.
Hey, go tuck yourself under your baby blanket, man, and put that pacifier in your mouth when you get home so you can think about it.
Man.
For real, dude.
Filming anything exciting?
Oh yeah, man.
All kinds of stuff.
I can start something.
Let's see the show. Left, right, left, right. Oh man, come on. It's all good, man.
Have a good day,
Be
man.
safe out there. See you guys.
All right, guys. You guys be safe. Yeah.
Go educate the post.
That's cool, huh?
Hey. You guys good? You guys don't need a food drink for anything? No, we're okay. You guys have a fantastic day.
Okay, you too. Thank you.
You guys are awesome, man. You guys be safe out there.
Be safe out there.
Hell yeah. We love LAPD. You guys are awesome, man.
There it is.
Hell yeah. Educated up.
Educated everyone here. Always a good day when they get education.
Hell yeah.
So we'll leave it at that. Just to be good.